Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrative access so changes stick across accounts. This avoids permission errors. Once ready, open the Start menu and type Settings, then press Enter or click the gear icon. From Settings, navigate to Apps and choose Default Apps. This is where Windows stores associations for music and video. Make sure the media file type you want to change is visible. This initial navigation saves time and positions you to replace the current player quickly. Now focus on swapping the player itself. In Default Apps, click the current music or video player. Windows shows installed alternatives. Select your preferred app. If it's not listed, look for an app in the Microsoft Store or install the player first, then repeat. For finer control, click Choose Default Apps by file type and associate extensions like MP3, MP4, or MKV to different apps. This method ensures specific formats open with the best-suited software, preventing mismatches and playback issues later. Finish by testing. Open a few representative files to confirm the new associations actually launch your chosen player. If Windows reverts settings after a restart, reinstall the selected player and then reassign defaults. Some installers reset associations until reinstalled. Make sure to check for app-specific preferences that override Windows defaults. If problems persist, use a recent system, restore point, or export default apps settings backup before reapplying changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.